What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And this is an exciting video. This is VANTRUE's hardwire kit for dashcam. Now, I have not been able to find a single video of this specific unit, so I do believe that I'm going to be one of the first to share with you guys today. But this is super freaking cool because it takes your VANTRUE N4, N4 Pro, N5, several of the models, and it turns it into a wired dashcam, like a hardwired dashcam. So they sent me two of these because I have two VANTRUE dash cams, and I do have my car hardwired now, and it is so stinking cool. It frees up my slot for my cigarette lighter, meaning I can use a high-powered USB-C charger and charge up a laptop or something. So it's pretty simple, right? You've got this that plugs into your OBD port. You've got this that tells you the current voltage of your battery, and you've got different levels here. So you can go all the way to the left if you want to play it safe. You can go to the middle if you want to be a little bit more, risky and have your dash cam record a little bit longer. Or this. I don't know if I would ever use that. I just feel like that would be too low of a battery, but I can tell you that using parking mode with motion sensitivity on high equals like a full SD card. Like, oh my gosh. If you go to work and there's lots of like cars moving around you and stuff, you want that sensitivity to not be on high. Oh my gosh, it just records all day long. But I think I'm going to try sensitivity medium and see if that lessens the amount of events that get recorded. But I think it's super freaking cool that you can see a motion happened and someone hit their door into your door or something. It's really, really cool. And then in here we have an instruction booklet, and they've got QR codes, and then we have instructions, 12 volts. So the best thing to do is to wire it the way that I currently wire my vehicles, where you go like up here and then to the window. So that way there's no wires dangling and it looks nice and neat. Now I have to switch to my phone camera and record the rest of this video out in the car. All right, so currently we have the VANTRUE dashcam sitting in the middle. I've got this little 3-port thing, and then I've got it wired all the way up and all the way around into there. So instead, we're going to use this guy, and then it has Velcro tape, so you can figure out the best place for this. Every vehicle is going to be slightly different. So on this one, it is way back here. All right. So now that is connected, and we can see that there's 12.4 volts, 12. And then now we can see how much cable we have to work with. Now, there's different ways to go about this, and I think what I might do is attach this right here, and then I think I have enough wire to go that way and then go up and around. If not, since I have my rear camera going to the left down here, so this is my rear camera, I might still be able to make this work, but yeah, we're gonna try different things here. All right, so as a quick test fit, which this actually just fell out, rough placement, yeah, it pretty much just does this right here, so there's no extra slack. So this way is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to definitely go this way, where my rear camera is wired. So I'll have to do it a different way. All right, so this is the end of the video. I'm not going to show you what it looks like hooked up, because let me say that I did a very lazy job. It's 100 degrees outside. It rained yesterday. It's extremely humid. It's been miserable. I'm not trying to make this thing perfect right now. I will wait until it cools down a little bit, but it's super freaking cool because you actually can get motion alerts. And I set mine to medium, the medium setting, not the high one, because my gosh, I was having hundreds of events per day. It was insane because of the busy area that I work in. So I set it to medium, and I got a 512 gigabyte SD card because now this thing is recording a lot. And I set it to the medium setting. I don't remember the exact voltage, but it's a little bit lower. Vehicle knew that the battery was being drained by something. It gave me a little notification. So I did change it back to the default setting, which is very generous. It will stop recording events at a higher voltage versus a lower voltage. When it gets cooler, I'll make it look a lot more pretty, and I'll post a YouTube short follow-up. But right now it's just too dang hot, and I'm trying not to spin all day in my car. And now it frees up a cigarette lighter port, which I only had one, so that's actually huge. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.